right, Bruce, what are we doing in this episode?
Well, somebody told me the other day that the brake light on this side is burned out. Brake lights being one of those things that you can't really tell yourself because it's kind of hard to look at it and step on the brake at the same time to make it work. So, you gotta wait till somebody tells you when you're back up against a window or something. So what you do, you just undo these two bolts right here. 10mm socket. There's one up here, one down here. And then you're gonna be like, it won't come out, it won't come out. That's because it's got clips that hold it in. So you need some kind of a hook tool, just something where you can get under and pry up. It's tricky to get the right spot. If you can get it to pry up, there you go, that one's out. And the other one's lower down here, like that. And then it's just those two, and it pries out. Now, if you come around this side, there's 3 bulbs. Why don't I go step on the brake and you can tell me which one's out? Because it'll be this, not this one, but there'll be one here and one here. One of them won't work, and it'll work on this side.
These ones. Far side?
Okay, the one on the outside is just a tail light. This
Okay.
one's the one we need.
Yep.
So that would be this bulb. Which just pushes in. And I gotta go get the new bulbs. I'll be right back. This bulb. This one doesn't have that black stuff on it. They don't all have to have the black, but it helps.
Just pops in.
Pushes in, and then this goes in here. You find the spot where it goes into the groove like that, and then you just give it a bit of a turn until it locks in and clicks. And then when I go step on the brake, that should work.
Well, there's a light now. Yes. Well, that was pretty simple.
Yeah, and then you just kind of push it down, stick the 2 bolts back in the holes, and snug them up. Now they don't have to be super tight, just good and snug. Okay. And that is all there is to it. The end.